Hi there. So in this video tutorial, we're going to talk about the collaboration and the sub-user features of Mint 2.0. So this is my project dashboard, and I'm going to go to Account. First, we're going to add a sub-user, and this is only available for Agency Kit users. So if you have the commercial license version of Mint's app, you should see this option available. So let's go down to Collaborators and click on this, and now we'll see the different users within the system. You'll see the account admin and any other collaborators. I'm currently logged in as admin, so these are my account sub-users. To add any user to this account, you simply click this button Add New. So in the pop-up that appears, you just add the person's first name, their last name, an email address, and a password. The password must be at least 8 digits. Remember to repeat the password and make sure that they're both the same. This option is checked by default and means that these login credentials will be sent directly to your new collaborator. So now that's done, I just click this button here, and our new user has been created. So back in our dashboard, we can see that our new user has been added here. And just a little tip here, as an account administrator, we can see some of the statistics related to our collaborators. So we can see what our collaborators have been up to. So if we look at this collaborator, Emma Anna, he has 0 projects, 0 polls, and 0 ratings. There are also project manager options here. If you hover over this icon here, you can edit or you can delete this user. So I'm going to show you something really cool. Let's go back to projects. Let's open up this sales page project. And we can see that there's a collaborations button up here in the top right. Click it and you'll see the collaborators on this project. We can see the administrator account, but we can also add people here. So I'll show you what happens when we do that. When we click this, we get this pop-up which allows us to choose the different collaborators we want for this page. And what happens when we add a collaborator to our page is that in their own account, this sales page project would appear in their own dashboard. Now, depending on the privilege that we give them, they'll be able to either view it or actually edit the project itself. For example, with this person, I'm going to add them as a collaborator on this project. We can give people 2 types of privileges. They can view or they can edit. So if we selected Can View, what would happen with this user is that they would have the project in their dashboard, but they would only be able to view it. They wouldn't be able to edit the project. But if we chose Can Edit, this user would be able to modify the project. I'm going to leave it as Can Edit and save the changes. So just like I can see the project here, so will my user now, and he'll be able to edit the project as well.